Welcome to Scalar. In today's episode I will present user-defined functions. This is a very useful feature and its good mastery is highly recommended. Don't worry, functions are very easy to define. Let's get started. First, a simple unary linear function. Type f of x is equal to 2 times x plus 3 and click run. Scalar informs us that a new function has just been registered. We test it by typing first f of 1 and later f of 2. As a result, we get 5 and 7 respectively, which is consistent with the entered formula. Please note the clever use of a long click on the parenthesis button, which instructs Scalar to enter both left and right parentheses at the same time, placing the text cursor in between. Let's find out whether an existing function can be modified. We get the appropriate formula from the command history and add the number pi to the function definition. We test again for -1.5 receiving pi as the result. Yes, it works great. In the next step, let's define a new binary function g that depends on the already existing function f. We put g of x and y is equal to f squared of x divided by f of y. Let's check it at 0 and 0 diminishing value by 3. Cool, we get pi again. User-defined functions can be combined with argument definition. It is also possible to use a wide range of built-in functions, constants and units. It's all for today. See you in the next episode. Thank you.